Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So what's the biggest mistake I see cleaning business owners making with their proposal, with their bid? Well, I often think it's this, that they don't take the time, that they don't make the time or arrange the time to explain their proposal, talk about their proposal, their bid with the prospect. Sometimes that's because they're nervous and they'd rather just kind of deliver it or email it. And that's understandable. But boy, if we can get past some of that and understand that we're just introducing ourselves, that part of it gives you that valuable chance to get to know them. They get to know who you are, your company. You get to talk about everything, your insurance, your training, your people. Maybe you clean someone nearby. Maybe you'll talk about that person. They may even know the people you clean. Anyway, that visiting creates very often trust relationships and friendships. And we buy from people we like. And so we want to grab or create any opportunity to visit about our proposal, not just drop it off, not just email it. Once in a while, that has to be the case. But more often than not, you have an appointment you can get to arrange to deliver your proposal, or at least time prior to emailing it where you're able to really talk with them and explain and get to know them. So it's just the biggest thing. And it's not something to be avoided. And the more you do of it, the better you get at it. And just trying to be yourself, folks can pick up on that and they can relate to you. And it gives you a great chance to improve your chances of landing that proposal, that bid. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.